Welcome to our 2024 walking tour of the Sequoia National Park in California. We are here in Sequoia National Park, and our first stop is the Tunnel Rock. There are a couple of pictures. You can actually go up that rock. Okay, there's Augie, our friend Augie, up there on the rock. On the Tunnel Rock. Hello, what's going on?
We're here at Tunnel Rock in Sequoia National Park, and you just went up to the top there.
And we're gonna drive on to the next stop.
Yep.
Okay.
Tunnel Log.
Tunnel Rock. Hello.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're in Sequoia National Park. That's Morrow Rock right
There's
there.
Morrow Rock.
And there's a beautiful grove of sequoias right there.
We could.
Yeah.
We can actually go up there. You see some people on top, but we couldn't find parking close to it. So we're just taking pictures and video from here. Besides, I don't think I want to go up. There's a pretty big sequoia tree over there.
Look at these.
This grove here, this group here is pretty big. Group of them. You see it doesn't really have a lot of crown. These are some of the biggest
Over there, Augie.
trees, sequoia trees. But we're gonna see a lot bigger ones later. And you frequently see charred trees like this because there's forest fires. A lot of these trees actually survive forest fires. The middle part like this would be all charred like this, but it will continue moving. I think we're gonna see some of those partially burnt but still thriving. There's David and Goliath. David and Augie, right, going to that group of trees there. There's Dave. Oh, and there's Desi. Hello. Say hello to our viewers. Yeah. Have you seen the General Grant yet? The big one? Oh. And here's Tunnel Log. We're waiting for our friends to come drive through it. Is there a long line from the other side? There's Augie waiting. There's Dave and Desi driving through the tunnel log. Where's Desi? Is Desi waving? There they are. Look at that tree that fell. That fell a long time ago before this road was built. And you can just see how massive the roots are. We are here in the parking lot of the General Sherman tree. Surprising that there's a lot of cars in here for people. We're gonna hike to the tree. Oops. Let's follow our leader here. Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
We're walking to the General Sherman tree.
The Sherman tree. We're on the Sherman tree trail. Sherman tree trail. And there's our friends Desi and Augie, lagging behind as usual. Oh, how sweet. Holding hands. How sweet, they're holding hands. Like two teenagers. I think you can go under that tree. We'll do that later on. People are going under. Oh yeah, you can go under the tree right there. We'll do that later. there's a couple of things here that are not named. And there is our friend. Say hello.
Hello.
Let's go to General Sherman. There he is. General Sherman tree. It doesn't look impressive because we're still pretty far from it. But maybe, let's see, let's walk around here. Well, that's the closest you can go over there. Oops. There it is, the biggest tree in the whole world by volume, 52, what is it, 52,000? 52 million something. Oh, there's a line of people waiting. There it is. You can't really get close to it. So, another light. General Sherman tree. Here's another view of General Sherman, like all the way up there. And oh look, there's a hole right there in the bottom where you can take shelter if there's a storm. I think the inside was damaged a long time ago by a fire. See, even on this side it has fire damage, but it survives many forest fires over the years. So why do sequoia trees get so big and so old? Because they have a survival system. They resist disease and decay, fire, insects, and drought. What are you looking at there? Huh?
Look for fire scars, which are often appear as dark curved cracks.
The dark curved cracks are fire what damage?
Fire scars.
Fire scars. So this is a cross section of a tree. How did I say how old this one is?
There's some fire up there.
Yeah, up there. All those cracks are fire scars. They survive. Does it say how old this is? Lived about 2210. 2210 years old. This one here is a cross section. Okay, we're going in between these two sequoia trees here. Go inside.
Make sure you get the whole width.
Okay. Okay. That's it. Now go inside. No, go. Isn't there like a cave here? Go in there. There he is inside. We're walking back up to the parking lot. Look at all those boulders there. It's a little bit uphill, so we might need to rest. Hello?
Hello?
What's up now?
We're in Kings Canyon National Park, and we're at the General Grant Tree Grove.
Oh, this is part of the Kings Canyon National Park now.
Yes.
The Grant Tree Trail here, and we're gonna see General Grant Tree. This is a big tree. Look at the holes right towards the bottom there. They're from forest fires. They are like fire scars. They're like caves where you can hide. Behind this tree is the fallen log. We're gonna go under that fallen log there. So we're going inside the fallen log right here. There is a path here. So right inside this tree that fell, and there's a hole in the middle. It might get a little dark, but we are inside this log, this tree that fell. And It's pretty long. When it gets dark, it's like a cave. It's actually the inside of a tree that fell. That is pretty cool. Now they put this support here because it might collapse. We're almost at the end now. There's Dave. There's our friends Augie and Desi coming out of the fallen log. I guess this is the bottom of the log, because this is the roots. This is how the fallen log looks from the outside. That's where we walk through under here. There's quite a number of big ones here that are not named. We're looking for General Grant. And there's Dave. Which one's General Grant? Look at that tree there. Look at that tree that was split there into two. Looks like the left side is dead now, huh? The right side's still alive. You think it was lightning? Who knows? Could be lightning. Oh look, there's a cave over here that goes all the way through. You can see that. But that thing you can see. It's a cave. The camera doesn't show it, but I can see it with my eyes. Yeah, you can see the hole right there in the middle. It goes to the other side. That is also fire damage, huh? Fire scar. There's General Grant. He wants to go this way. I don't know why. But somebody's bossy. He wants to go here. We're going here.
Who is mumbling there?
This is my video. I can mumble as much as I want. There's General Grant showing the fire scars on this side. It survived I don't know how many fires. I don't know how many hundreds of years ago. This is General Grant tree, the widest tree in the whole world. And this is Augie, the widest person in the whole world. This is wider than General Sherman, right? But volume-wise, General Sherman is more voluminous. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a deer. Oh dear. There's the baby deer.
There's two of them.
Oh, there's two. They're both small. Oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, there's a baby in the back. There's a mom and a baby. I can use that for my Christmas decoration. But you only had a wooden spoon, huh? Oh, look at that, so cute, my golly. Look at those mother and baby. Oh, the baby's not even scared. The mom is kind of stopped. There's two babies. There's a second baby. Oh, so cute. Where's the other one? Oh, here they are, the two babies over there behind the log. And there's the mom. There, I know. Stop doing, put Christmas lights around them. Looks so cute. There's the mom and the two babies. So cute. Okay. Here's the General Grant tree. I was going to take a video earlier, but I got distracted by the family of deer. The nation's Christmas tree. Oh! I don't know why it's called the nation's Christmas tree. We'll do Sweep from the bottom all the way to the top. And this is the tree that is the widest tree in the whole world. In terms of volume though, Sherman, General Sherman is bigger. And now on this side of the tree it looks really wide. It's also called the nation's Christmas tree. Doesn't look like a Christmas tree. Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.